Alrighty, so welcome back to my channel. In this video, it's a LinkedIn quick tip where I'm teaching you how to change your privacy settings so that the whole world doesn't know when you get a new job or a new opportunity or you get promoted. So basically, you go right here where it says me and your pictures will be there, and you go to settings and privacy. And from there, you go to visibility and you just scroll right to the bottom here and it says visibility of your LinkedIn activity. And that's the section you want to go into to manage what you want your network to see in terms of your activity on LinkedIn. So where you want to change the information is share profile updates with your network, and you want to change that to yes or no. So if you don't want the whole world to know that you got a new job or that you just completed your degree, then you change that to no. So that is the way that you make that change to your LinkedIn profile so everyone does not get notified when there are any changes to your profile. There are other settings on this page in terms of your visibility and what people can see on your profile. So I encourage you to go through these and make the updates as necessary. So I hope you found this helpful. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe.